Hey guys, welcome to Klink. I'm Harry and today I'm going to show you how to make an old fashioned. Now an old fashioned is by far my favourite cocktail when it comes to ordering drinks at bars. It goes without saying, it just beats all the others. Famously, it's made with either bourbon or whiskey, and that's what we're doing today. We're using a bourbon, whiskey, wild turkey. Now a bit of history for you. The old fashioned dates back to around the 1800s. Around 1880 was one of the first recorded old-fashioned cocktails, as in the way it's made today. It's basically just said to be spirit, sugar, bitters and water, and that's basically the recipe that's stuck all the way through to today and what we're going to do today. Cool, so first things first, we've got our mixing glass and we're going to get out some sugar next to it. And we're going to pop a good bar spoon in there, maybe a bar spoon and a half, about a teaspoon. In there, like that. And now we're adding our bitters. Now, famously is Angostura bitters. I'm also going to use the orange bitters. I do like a bit of citrus in my old fashions, and that will also help with the garnish later on. So just put a few dashes in there, like so. And same with the orange. A couple, pop them to one side. Now, sugar dissolves not so well in cold liquid, so before we add the ice, I'm just going to grab just a bit of lukewarm tap water, chuck that in there, and I'm going to give it a stir just to get that dissolving process started. Lovely. Cool. So now we have our wild turkey, very popular bourbon, and I'm going to pop 15 mils like that in there. So grab a bit of ice. I've got some in the shaker for now, that's what I'll do, and give it a stir. Old fashions famously stirred in mixing glasses. Some people make them in the glass. I'm not a massive fan of that. Just because with a mixing glass you have more control over the dilution of the spirit itself. Whether it's bourbon, rum, whiskey, gin, anything really. So we'll pop another 15 mils in. Like that. You can use any bourbon you like really. Maker's Mark is another good choice. If you're wanting something a bit more premium, Maker's Mark 46. So that's obviously the nicer version, and Woodford Reserve. If I went to a bar, I would ask for a Woodford Reserve. It's affordable, but you know, it's very nice. Cool. So as you can see, there's a little bit of condensation on there. That just tells me it's cold enough. I'm just going to add a little bit more ice though, and I'm going to just put the last 30 mils of our wild turkey in there. Give it another good stir. That should be nice and diluted to the right level. Cool. Now we're going to get our prep glass out of the fridge. It's always good to just pre-chill your glass. Just pop some ice in it, stick it in the fridge, and by the time you've made your drink, it will be nice and chilled for you. So this is a Hawthorne strainer. Chuck that on the top of your glass, pop that in, like that. Lovely smooth drink. And to top it off, I'm going to grab an orange. I'm going to take a nice peel of orange. Isn't the best peeler. I'm going to break it. There we go, that'll do. Put that to the side. And we're going to get a flamed orange peel. What do you mean? Just be careful with your fingers. Pop it like sort between there. Give it a light. Bring the flame over. And give it a squeeze. Oh, embarrassing. There you go. Wipe it around the edge. And just stick it in like that. And there we have it. The old fashioned. So, let's give it a taste. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Such a smooth, strong but smooth drink. The dilution sort of helps with the handling the spirit itself. Bitters, sugar, totally good balanced drink. Perfect for that classy feeling. So, hope you enjoyed watching that. Hope you guys can give that a go at home. If you do, show us. Tag us on Instagram. I'll leave links below to Instagram, Facebook, all the social medias, and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you liked it, and subscribe. Catch you later.